My key won't come out. I gotta walk over to Haley's house because her dad's giving me a ride to my rehearsal today. So I'm leaving to walk over. I lock the door and the key won't come out. There, I unlocked it. Still won't come out. And then there, it's locked again. Still won't come out. What do I do? I don't know what to do. It shouldn't. There's nothing wrong with it. It wasn't warped or anything. I don't know why it's stuck all of a sudden. I just used the key earlier today when I got home to get in. It was fine. I was fiddling with this key trying to get it to come out. And I just, for the heck of it, part of my method, I unlock it and I open the door. And I see that. Amy. That was funny. Thanks for trying to cheer me up. Meanwhile, this key is still stuck. Any advice, Amy? What do you do when your key is stuck? Amy's full of wisdom. She's just keeping it to herself. Thanks anyway. Have fun in your box. No. It won't come out, come out. Please. After 6 minutes of wiggling it, I finally got it out. Now it's not warped or anything. It looks fine. I don't see why it got stuck. It's sunset time, by the way. Sunset. Oh, sunset. Okay, ready to see the ladies. Yesterday when I picked up Dana from after school program, that was my first time picking her up. And I told the lady, so I'm here for Dana, because she had her walkie-talkie, she had to summon her. And I told her I was here for Dana, and she just looked at me. And it took her a few seconds before what I said processed into her head. It's like, that is her name, isn't it? Yeah, that's her name. She made me think I was saying something wrong. Whew. Oh, they have a reef up. Christmas. If only this was a night walk, then I could show you guys decorations, but they're not lit up. More reefs. Okay, guys, so, oh, there's a car coming. So, Sean, Courtney, and I were talking about the show we're gonna film eventually, and we were bouncing some really good ideas. I think you're gonna like some of the episodes. They're really cool. I got a message. From who? Courtney! Speaking of Courtney, guys, look what my darling friend Courtney gave me for Christmas today. A little Hallmark Minnie Mouse miniature. I don't like it when people give me presents and I don't have anything for them. That makes me feel so bad. No, take it back. I don't have anything for you. And I don't have time to go. Tomorrow's the last day before break. And I can't go to the store tonight because I have a choir concert. So I don't know what to do, but I have to get her something and quick. It stinks that I can't drive. I don't have a license. Or I could go to the store now. But she's such a sweetheart. I love her. Look. This is going on my new special shelf. That big shelf I just put in my room 2 days ago, that's become my special shelf. This is going on it. I'm walking home from school right now. Excuse me. I'm going to see my kitty cat. Oh, and yesterday, Haley and the gang they took me to my choir practice. They gave me Jingle Bell ponytails. I don't know if I'm filming them. Anyway, so I've been jingling all day. But I can't wear them to my concert tonight, which is sad. I'd like to. Right here. It's not part of the uniform, so I can't. Also, guys, I don't know if I should say this on the internet, but you know, this is a vlog. Happens to most people, a lot of people. Anyway, so I'll just say it. I got my first wart. A planter's wart on my foot. Ow. It's just a baby one so far. But you wanna go out? Cats always look confused to me. Or maybe just this one. There's that December weather. Wait, not that snowflake. Yeah. Well, you probably... Okay. There it is. We bought this train at Walmart. We put it up. My mama and I. We got it and I put it up. Do you like it? Do you like it? Like it? I like it. Like it, like it. Yeah, so I got my first wart over. It's a planter's wart on the bottom of my foot. It's not that big. It's very tiny, but it still hurts. I've been put treatment on it last night, and I'm doing that again now. Hi! I jingle. I love that I jingle. Yes, I agree. No, I don't agree. No. My pretty tree. Okay. Oh, I'm showing you how Courtney's present is on my special things shelf. But yesterday I set it up more. Look. Can you spy her present? Do you see it? You're too smart. You knew it wasn't with the snow globes. You probably already saw it. Here it is. Doesn't she look nice sitting there? Thank you, Courtney. She's beautiful. My Aunt Patience got a whole basket and it had a few goodies in it. And it was really cheap. It was like $1 or a quarter, something like that. It was really, really cheap at a flea market. And she just wanted the basket, so she gave me some of the things that were in it. And this was one of them. It's from a real egg, so it's very fragile. Heather gave me this snow globe. My daddy got me this snow globe ornament for Christmas one year. Of course, here's my class ring. Yeah. Memories, memories. Over the summer, Dana made me this and made it for me. 7/19/2014. There. You like my special thing shell? Oh, and there's the top of it. some pictures. And I got my figure skaters. Do you like it? Do you like my special thing shelf? And I still, when I spent a week in Daytona over the summer, my auntie bought me this really great frame. But as you see, I'm yet to put pictures in it. My original plan was to put snapshots from each of my skits in it. But you know, they have to be vertical pictures. It's such a hard decision. Anyway. There's my kitty. You gotta come in the kitchen. Because Haley's home, so I'm going over right now. Early. Because they're taking me to my concert tonight. But I want to have time to play Disney Scene It with Haley first. So that means you're eating dinner early, so I can go. Are you hearing me? She doesn't even look at me when I talk to her. She might taste peanut butter on my finger. That's probably what it is. Because without that information, you might have either thought, oh, her kitty loves her, or her finger must be so dirty, her cat thought she had to clean it for her. No. Peanut butter. Come on. You're having an early dinner. Come on, let's go.